Hey there, my friends. Dan G. Fox here. Hope you're doing well this day. Um, you know, LeadsLeap has so many tools and hidden gems. And it seems like every time I look around, I'm finding a new hidden gem. And so I wanted to share that with you today in case you didn't know it was there as well. I mean, LeadsLeap is such a powerful system and it provides so much for you. Page managers, capture page builders, splash page builders, link trackers, just so much, plus all kind of advertising. And of course, you can get a free lifetime membership with it, or you can upgrade. It's up to you. But even the free tools, you get so much available to you. So I just wanted to show you this one little gem that I discovered recently that I didn't know was there. Well, first of all, they have an awesome statistical program where you can track your links and see what your traffic is and things like that. For example, on this particular opt-in page here, okay, it shows just some general statistics. It shows that in the last 7 days, I had 318 hits to that page, 1,000 total, 550 unique, 635 real connections, and 27 that took action, which means they signed up in the system. Now, it breaks it down even more if you click on the statistics button here. I'm still not at the gem yet, though. Still haven't found that little hidden gem yet. You click the statistics, then it breaks it down even more. What days, they were hit, typical things like that. How long they stayed on the site. Okay, that helps you to know. Then it tells you where the clicks were coming from. Direct. And you can put in there what sources you have it from. I have initials in there, so it tells me where they are coming from. Okay. So this helps you to know if your traffic is producing or not. It helps you to know, especially if you're doing paid traffic, it helps you to know if your paid traffic is producing, because you don't want to keep spending money on paid traffic if it's not producing. Okay. But so you see all these. But here's what I didn't know. Let's say that you built a page for someone else, okay, and you're hosting it at LeadsLeap. You designed a page, you built a page for someone else. You can share those statistics with them. See this right here? I did not know this existed. Share this stat, and so all they would have to do is click, you copy that link, and then you can send that to the person, and they can see the statistics that are there for that particular page. They don't have to have an account with LeadsLeap. They don't have to sign in to LeadsLeap, but they can see all that's available. The same statistics that you saw in my back office. Did not know this was there. This is stuff that's in like really major programs that you pay a lot of money for to do that, like ClickMagick, things like that. They only provide a certain amount of tools. So you're just getting so much with LeadsLeap. And so it shows right here, tracking stats for, this particular page, and it shows you, that way they can check the page, make sure it's their page, all right. I just thought that was a nifty little tool. And even at that, even if you set up link trackers, okay, it's the same concept. It'll tell you, specifically how many you've had a certain amount of time, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera, and again, these are just general stats, but you can break it down even more. Let me find one that's got a few more hits on it. The thing is most of my things are on LeadsLeap, and so I don't use the link tracker a lot of. Let's see. This is I don't want to use that one. That's my LeadsLeap. Okay, look. What is it? Okay. So it's the same thing. So this is just a link tracker, and so if I post this link here, it will go to the page that I want it to, which is this page right here. And it shows me what's been going on. And then I can break it open the full stats again, and it shows you how long people stayed on the page, et cetera, where they're coming from. Even tells you what countries they're coming from, so you get an idea what's happening there. But it has the same little thing that I showed you before, where you can share the stats. And this could be if you're running traffic for somebody. Maybe you're selling your own solo ads or whatever, and so you can share the stats and show your customers what it is. Again, they don't have to log in, they don't have to have an account with LeadsLeap, but they can see exactly what was happening when you sent traffic to their URL. They can check the link again. They can check it to make sure that it is their page that they went to. Okay, so that's the hidden gem. I didn't know it was there. I'm excited to have found it because actually, ironically, just this morning, someone asked me if I had a statistical link I could send them, and I told them no. Now I can go back to them and tell them, yes, I do. So, look, LeadsLeap has so much to offer to you. You need to take advantage of it. Like I mentioned earlier, you can get a free lifetime membership at LeadsLeap and not pay anything and take advantage of so many tools that is offered there. And then when you want to, you can upgrade, because I'll tell you what, you're going to want to upgrade because you get so much more. I mean, first of all, it has built-in advertising system, Pro Ads. You get 10 advertising spots, and you don't have to click. If you upgrade, you get 10 advertising spots, and you don't have to click to get credits or anything like that. You're going to those are going to automatically be shown. All right, but even if you didn't upgrade, you can post credit ads, but then you've got to click and get credits in order for your ad to show. But anyway, so that's there. You can do social reviews, which kind of it's an SEO type thing that brings people to your sites. You can post reviews, and put your affiliate link in those reviews, and then Google picks up on that. I mean, that's a special little deal there. And we just covered the link tracker, rotators, ad bars. I just did, let me show you this real quick. I just did this today, about a few minutes ago. This is an ad bar for a promotion I'm doing, and track link. So this is the Wall Street Journal article. All right, it talks about companies laying off in 20,000. So I posted this on Facebook. Read the Wall Street Journal, on companies laying off this upcoming year, and talking about how it would be good to get a side hustle or your own online business. But look, it's the Wall Street Journal, but guess what? Look, my link is up here at the top. See that? As more businesses lay off employees, it makes sense to start your own home-based business. Click here. If they click on that link, it takes them to the page that I'm sending them to. Okay, and so this is a neat little tool, this little ad bar that you can add to any page, any page. Like I said, I posted this on Facebook as a Wall Street Journal article. When people click on it, they're going to come to the Wall Street Journal article, but they're going to see your link up here at the top. Okay, so that's a neat tool that they have there. That's that ad bar there. Autoresponder as a list manager. If you're a free member, you get 10 lists, but you can send to unlimited subscribe. You have unlimited subscribers. You can broadcast. It's just a lot for free. With a pro member, you can continually send unlimited lists, unlimited broadcasts, unlimited everything. Okay, everything, and you can do. If you are a pro member, then you can do follow-up emails. If you're not a pro member, then you can only do a welcome email or a broadcast. You can send out so many broadcasts a month. Another nifty tool here, if you have a blog, you can put your blog in it. Every time you post post an article on your blog, it will broadcast to whatever list you want it to. The same thing with the YouTube here. Every time you post a YouTube video, it will send a notice to the people who you have on the list that you want to receive the notice. Page Manager, you can build capture pages, splash pages, sales pages, thank you pages, download pages. I've even made a regular looking website that doesn't even look like any of those. So that's there available to you. Pop-up creators, cookie generators. Pro members can host, this is pro member service only, but you can host images there. You can host PDFs for people to download or whatever. Plus, there are 5 ways to make money on LeadsLeap, and you can check your followers out. You can send messages to your followers, and this is another nifty tool. These two are rebrandable ebooks that you can put your affiliate link in for LeadsLeap and just give the book away for free. It's got some really good advertising tips in there. Okay, so LeadsLeap is a powerful system. Like I said, if you're not a member, you should go ahead and join. Just take the free membership. And if you decide to upgrade, you decide to upgrade us. There's no problem there. I have a link just below here, this video, an affiliate link. Go ahead and click on the link. Join up. Let me help you. Let me work with you with that. But that's going to be it for today, my friends. I did want to share that hidden gem to you about sharing your tracking link, because I think that's just an awesome feature that I didn't know. The more and more I work with LeadsLeap, the more and more I find more hidden gems. So thank you. If you got something out of this video, I ask you to go ahead and click the like button. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. That will help me out if you would do that. I would appreciate that. And then click on the little bell and you can subscribe. So I appreciate it. You guys have a FOXtastic day, and we'll see you in the next video.